Hey guys, here's just a quick tutorial on how to use Chat GPT4 to write Facebook ad copy. Typically, what a lot of people do and what I've done in the past, which is why they haven't used ChatGPT to write copy, is they give it really basic frameworks to work with. So, for example, the first prompt here I have here, act as a Facebook copywriter, and then I give the business background, which is I have an aerobics business that targets men who are office workers in the city of Gotham who want to get fit, toned, and active again. They may never have tried aerobics before and are worried it would be difficult and they won't fit in. My new beginner accelerator program is designed to help them get into it in a welcoming and motivating way. So now I give it the instruction, which is please use AIDA, a framework that everybody knows, to create Facebook ad copy. And you can see here the result is pretty underwhelming, even with ChatGPT4. It's probably got an okay call out here. It doesn't specifically call out men though. Very long introduction, big paragraphs. It's using labels here. You can try and make this work. A lot of the copy here will be too hokey, in my opinion, really over the top in the energy and the style. So it's very difficult to use, and you end up doing so many different variations and edit prompts in order to make it good. So what I suggest instead is you need to train it a little bit. So here's an example ad copy that I've written for a yoga beginners class. And this is taking inspiration from somebody else on Facebook. I'll put the link in the comments if I can. So I'll use this and then I will summarize it into sort of like the key of what the ad really is saying. So I've got here call out in target location. So that's the start of the ad. Hey Tacoma women, quickly describe the offer plus 10 openings. We're offering 10 lucky women the opportunity to try our yoga beginners kickstart class at our lovely studio in Tacoma. CTA, just click the sign up button below to save your spot and register the information. Introduce key benefits in a list. Our program is for yoga beginners who want to improve posture, blah, blah, blah. CTA again, if that's you, click the sign up button below and save your seat. And then it's got a scarcity line. So I've condensed that down into the key, which is all of this stuff, so that it's easier for ChatGPT to understand what the contents of the ad is and the structure of the ad. But I don't just give it this information, I need to give it the fully written ad out as well as an example. So this is the overall prompt. I write, here is my copy framework, call out in location, plus quickly describe the offer, CTA, etc. This is for a Facebook ad body copy. Here's an example out of 1 to 10. How confident are you that you can replicate this given number only? So if I send this into ChatGPT as it is, let's see what it can do. Right, so let's ask it to write an ad for us. Cool, so you can see it's basically followed the structure pretty well to understand, and it's also done an okay job on the copy. If you want to tune it up and from there, you can use this editing prompt I have here, which says redo the ad above, but with the following requirements. Be more matter of fact. This sometimes helps when they use too much text and they really oversell things. Try to be only moderately persuasive. Again, sometimes it tries too hard to be salesy and it ends up looking really bad. Use medium energy. That's when they use too many exclamation marks. Use emojis. It's always good to remind it to keep using emojis. And use all caps of keywords sparingly. So let me put that in and see what happens. We'll probably write a little bit more understated ad. Yep, so it's done a pretty okay job based on the instructions here. Just for fun, let's put in a new example of this in action. So let me go back. This time, I'm going to give it the full information again, and let's see it use the framework that I had for the yoga ad with my new aerobics information here. So I have an aerobics business that targets men and office workers in Gotham. Okay, and then I'll give it the copy framework. Okay. There you go. Looking at this, I would say it's done a pretty decent job. It's used the headline call out correctly. It's not using too much text, maybe a little bit too much at the top there. But again, it's following the overall style and format. And from there, really, it's only a matter of using the requirements prompt here to tune it up or down depending on your particular style. So hopefully that was interesting. If you'd like to try it, I'm going to try find a way I can put a link to this document so you can copy and paste these in. Otherwise, have a go yourself and let me know if you found it useful for creating your own ads using ChatGPT 4. Thanks.